Makwa by the Emadek TV so nyame echira obi bia okoso ahwe Emadek TV. Na me kan mo se enene da wa ba channel we so am sro me pa ocho me nyankopon din pa ocho. Subscribe to my YouTube channel no comment na like me the videos bia to wa me pa ocho comment like na o ya ho nso a ne link kan na subscribe me pa ocho. It's a channel we so no enye se obi asem aba nko an ye ba betena ha kasa. Akwanya wo se wo kra na woni me hwe channel we ana se ye me no ye channel we no so betumi a share wa adwen eniti na ya na me de me WhatsApp number no ato asese na be ya bibia ni a ofre me a se wo story wo experience bi life experience mo am abroach whatever it is that you want to share or ye voice over no the bar na there ye the better channel no so ma manfo so ai de etie bi wo Ghana ha ba bia issue bia wo ho bia wo pese amansan wo de to abonten amansan eti bi no just WhatsApp me with that issue na yemfa to abonten e hina yenti na amansan ehu nyema so aside that no we are also going to do more of educative things, life experience things. I'm also going to share my stories. I think I also have a lot of stories to share with you guys, and please keep on subscribing to Emadek TV, keep on watching. Na nediem wo ha mo marketing Mpeninsem any new management o ma ba bonten no masam kan say o mo dey Beyou ebe court adanya videos a woni wo mo aye no either say o betua ho ka e dey marketing Mpeninsem ananse obedreti video no, and I think some dey kin aba be videos afasa asem we ya course no ho new management na ye den ebe kan na we na audio bi anasa another video bi aba concerning obi a ono so no things asem say asem na me kan ye no on tiase a ono so ebe kire na adwen ne nsem obe kan. But you see we didn't can asem we sometimes say asem bi ba sa na ye ngina ba bia no kore wo mema ye use emotions ensan so emfeel say ye ne obi ne nam enti no automatically nipa na asem de no ye support na whatever it is. I am not supporting Beyou because I mean Beyou nenam. But I'm supporting Beyou because I mean how on earth obi no obi aye adwuma wotua ne kai bibia moreover nyo no pam no one I was a woko and a woko a wotua oka every month eno de unhu nkese odi nipa nsika na de bere no na ne videos no aye na egu odada no edo na aba beje hu sika. And even moreover, like one point the car say, Akete Mpeninsem videos ukra na oko Beyou YouTube channel man for here. Oko Beyou YouTube videos a man for me hwe Akete Mpeninsem ukra wo bi emu. Omo nhwe ne ukra bi emu mpo wo ho. Obi a omo hwe no ye one time play man yesi kokoti. Eti abrante o video na wa ba ene won sem na wo kan. Just because you think say this year only Akete Mpeninsem new management na nam. Yes, okay, so I say we brand me and answer unuano me. Yes, I'm pami nuano. Just last week ya brand na wo menchen wa ha. Eti ye nuafo ankasa ye di nkomo. But still na me ba be catch that was a brand say ansem ne de me so we be ya fato nchen. What you say? Because what some we can say asem ne ante ase ye na wo be chirichirim na say na nipa ne pa kire. As if say nipa no kasa no kan so ahiri. Ananso wo kan ye friend say Arabic. Enipa no kan in plain language twi and yet asem wo kan ye eti like how wo be so kire say bo de mum yankuni go ti asem your friends abrante ne nsem a wo kan say ye ne ye ne ante asem na si yi no mum yankun ti mra
CEO of Emadek and I'm motis on so kasa no ono kwada no pe ya na me hu ni video no Emadek wanya de nyame mikro wanya de me minua no me bra pan no me no na me my father say like me know you too close, and I know say we be moderator on the page, so like we be promoter o ka be team no, but in some be say ba bonten a yen kasa to your interest there be we paying nka asem we ba bonten ma me bisa o say ma de ko na ane akora bi adwuma asem ma bisa the godson na me bisa obi no na ane akora bi adwuma oni akora na adwuma no na obi edidi akora no image ho a de na abeye de wo beye no sa na wo senka mo ya Akete de wo beye no sa na wo senka mo ya Akete ensem bisi na se ohun bi uti bia yemfiti preko pembe didi atem yemfiti preko pembe ka na ede Emadek edidi atema wudi emfa hwema wo Beyou team uni Beyou ntenase Akete Mpeninsem team momra nhia yen settle issue yen bibia free honom yen tenase nka na yede yen tenase enka enkasa te se ase nipa na asema okan no didi batem onidi batem o fe no na wo didi batem a ejina de obeka ene be ma ono no bebia no be du batem nti Emadek anopa we wo de me nka wase mebre mimi nua no mebra panyin no me nka wase mebre bet onsem na wo kan ni na twesan na mo ye mpanimfo ne the god son mo ye mpanimfo mo mfra afa ne mienu ntenase na mo settle issue so mpese mo ka bia bet mpese mo ka bia mo ntwa so na mo ndi o masem ma mo ntena na mo ndidi obi atem mo nkasa obi an bi na no nka afun bia nkyere obi a afun bia na obi abi na o ka kyere obi a afun bia na obi abi na no ka kyere obi a ma mo ntena se unim nipa no ono nso nimo unim ni gina bia ono nso nimo gina bia why say obi na kasa ni ya o kan ya o de kyere because of Beyou ni Akete nti because of Beyou any Akete nti but Beyou me support no if he is ready to fight you I'm ready me support no me support Akete manager no so I ready baby adem ko bia on fam nko so your lawyers ono so lawyers baby on person bia asem ni ko bia on fam nko kasa na mo adigo san Emadek emmo am kasa emframa emmo am mu ye mpanim for the issue from say enka mba be ka asem ebi nka be settle issue no kini se metna ebi ma kan ye mo de beja ebi ma kan ye mo de and me kan ko na cham Ghana obi antimi obi ahwe Ghana obi antimi nya obi a bibia asem si a entenase ye de ano na eka emfa se kan entwitwa asem no ye de ano na eka ntu ba be kasa na odidi atema enko ba bia o kasa na didi atema enko ba bia.
All right, it's Abrantie nsem ni akwakweti aba no. Abrantie it wo tie new management na ye poku achi say onfa Beyou nko court. A untu ni afuto bia amfa ama no. Onfa Beyou nko court. Okay. Akete Mpeninsem no. Ne maame se Akete ne ye ne dia ye boa because o say owo ne ba no bre no de Akete ne ma no. Good. Mpeninsem na eda no so no. Enya Akete dia. Eye brand name of Beyou edema no anything na mra esi kokuti afefe no Beyou yes ofre no esi Mpeninsem. The word Mpeninsem no was given to Akete by Beyou. It is hard amos mfa Mpeninsem no famra. Sam Mpeninsem munyi Mpeninsem no mfiri Akete so. And every video bi a modi Akete Mpeninsem atwa a Mpeninsem no ewo no. Modi Akete atwa Mpeninsem wo mu no. Sa video no momra betwa ho kan fa ma Beyou. Na monso munyi sa din no all her social media platforms no munyi sa Mpeninsem no free no so na nka Akete ene mba ye ni wendi Akete let say ne mu bi ni YouTube channel fofo na mo ye ni wendi Akete TV no go and do it that way. But until some betumi anya bold, until some betumi are so bold enough to take away that name, to get rid of that name no mema mo megina mpo nka sansem mpo na mo kan. And aside that, sika bia Beyou started so on Akete Mpeninsem ye adwuma. Directly or indirectly, was spend you Akete Mpeninsem mu bia. Wo metua say sika no. So wo metumi akọ to the stand of giving every resources ne whatever the Beyou has invested in Akete a penny. Mo de ni nyina ma Beyou a. Na mo change the name Akete Mpeninsem ni free wo. To get rid of that name, every pastor DNA the free Ghana for adwin mu a. Momra me delete video no. Okay? Momra me delete video no. Se mutumi yes ade no to take away the name of Akete Mpeninsem no every Ghana for anu mu a. Momra me give say. What are you talking about? Chese mono maye boni ayefo saa ye to the extent say afide to see akwade no kra de mo pese mo be kan no kra bi. My so greedy, selfish to the extent say afide no kra de mo pese mo be kan no kra bi. You guys have been so blinded, you have been blinded by deceit, lies, greediness, selfishness to the extent say see idea you don't seem to know people you call your friends, your brothers anymore. Poku betna ne channel so it make as Beyou ye nua ye nyanko whatever it is But this same person is saying he's taking Beyou to Kamemene Okrambo now. I can just make peace with Beyou. And for the first place, now you have to even make peace with Beyou because already you have even insulted him. You have allowed that so-called man of God to have come and insult him. But at least Beyou is a man of good heart. I could bet to media chow, not Kwaba, Beyou, Cherry. Matis has some Kalamaj Maya Kakran. I want to know. A convention now between your boy and Yaja. It is Akete their own time. And she should be a buyer. Convention now between your boy and Uncle at least. You to Impia Koran. I know the Adrian, the Opinion Seni. I am educated, I'm educated. Won't be Unisan young son. I mean, you guys are the people we call educated illiterate. You are the kind of people we call educated illiterate. Hey, Abrante, you are my brother, man. I love you so much. I like you. But actually, first of all, koko tunefo, kotu poku fo kache poku say, onyi sa Akete Mpeninsem ni fi Akete so. Na on delete every video and answer, o ma metuye sika bia wo twa. Odi Akete video bia odi Akete aya, the name Mpeninsem ni wo no. We are also going to charge them according to how any one say what cost damage to us. From there, no, if you guys are able to refine or pay all this money to us, then you can come and we do business. Then you can come so that we all talk business. Until then, oh my God, you have no right. You have no right to come and say, oh, no. Debbie. Someone has been able to give this girl a brand name and nobody know baby because of that didn't mu create YouTube channel bi am the dinner to so mo ye na people are subscribing no wo begina yi ni boni aka chen say wo homran ko diriti wo abrante so me ko kan chese obuafu and I know you come back because today I called like earlier I used to call you one will be to baby obeke say you shut down the answer are you like today I made a voice message to you I told you say hey wo me be boy chief for sa hu say gunu na obegina wa wudi ye no and I know say you come back but me my boy chi my come out atro abrante I'm not going to reply you again because I realized as a hype be na mo pe and me say hype be and na mo pe because poku be yes I dey when Akete Mpeninsem video be or the two no arise it but look we are not going to give you guys those hype anymore. Yeah, mamos are hype in Beyou. Me, I'm not even coming to talk about this issue anymore. Abrante, just idea no. Me, I know you to be a guy of integrity, dignity. Me ni some who be achi me kick someone onye you know. Like you said, we are brothers, but actually, me kick and some na wo kano. Some na wo kano kura di jai kan. And poku ni Abrante, before answer na be free so akono. Maami bi ewa America e di message bi e di jam me di message ni be jam ansana makro nyame nhira Beyou comedy fans nyina monko so na monhwe Beyou yene ani Beyou nam de enim se ni ote yene ani Beyou nam de enim se ni ote and he has never changed. He is still the same person. Say me Beyou you be a one kind of crow ye whatever come me jealousy die kura because he knows me. And those who know me know me. I don't give a damn about who you think you are, whatever you think you say. What I know is that if I know this thing is the truth, it doesn't matter what I believe in. I believe in saying the truth. I believe in the truth. Abrante, please. Yeah, we all love Akete. We support no. We push no. Me, I am not pained when I see Akete growing. No, I am not pained at all. And how me back say, and yeah, I brought Kululu comedy, and it was all Beyou not Junior or the man. Say, bra, your friend say Mordecai say, or happy Mordecai crowd when he paid so. Oh, you are going to bra, fano, yay, and your friend say foreman, meaning foreman pa, and so foreman only Mordecai and ye Juma, and they are working with almost ye Juma Kama. Even though I'm quite say the way I penal, but we are not pained. Say Akete Mpeninsem okoso, and Beyou we okoso. They are working. It's a nipa bia for adwemu fa nante. nyame nhyira Beyou comedy nyame nhyira Kululu comedy to the world Beyou comedy to the world Emadek TV Beyou TV plus mon share na mon subscribe to the YouTube channel na mo moaye say be ya yesu betimi grow ni ayekese Kululu comedy ehia mo moa ohia mo support mon kwahwe Kululu comedy e wo YouTube Kululu comedy e wo YouTube mesrɛ mo akora ketwa mo dikaya no ehia mo so mo moa se mo be support no Ghana for Beyou comedy fans mesrɛ mo mepam chew mo amodo Emadek TV nso no mon kwahwe Kululu comedy e mame me de maame no voice message no ebi chatwo mon konkuti abrante ono opoko medamase nyamisham
Nanake Frisia na make say Beyou maame a esi kokoti ne one time premana na me na make asa no makojo poku asonti sese wa jimi a onsua nyansa na Ghana fo mu omunya ahoya ene ani bebrebe no wo kojo kofi poku o se kojo poku Beyou ni Akete nsam ne baaye no metie wo ni sofo bi interview wo say sofo ne ka say do obefa Akete no ebeduru 2 years no Akete be manipa kora kwa animu enti se ne wo na wo pe wiase sika nyina na wakofa Akete a hweso ne fa Akete ne manage no Nyeja nkwa onyankwa siasem na wo die so de Beyou be kokot no o de Beyou be kokot se Beyou aye nde wo se Beyou ye wunua sofo ni ye wo interview no wo ye sofo ni interview no se Beyou ye wunua ene de wunua na wo sori atia ne se o de be kokot no wan fa ne kokot me ehwe se Beyou wapam Akate afiri ne ho a wan fa ne kokot na ayi no so video no so na Akete etwa no enye Akete camera no odi twa enye Akete no nyo no nko na wo ade ani mu enti no so asese Beyou eda so de Akete ade ani tum jiske na so de be kokoto a onfa no kokot na so de Beyou kokoto a me ye nyina ye panty Beyou fans ye panties kra ye beton ye de aba abedi nachi so onimu nyansa no anya ho ya na onfa Akete ne won Akete mfa wiase sika nyina amfa ma no Beyou emfa no ho enti na no na wo twe se Beyou ho no onhwe yie pa wo mu na wo so mpese wo bre Beyou ase no wo mu ntime mmere na ase da ewiase de nyankopon ahyira no wa hyira no de wo mu ye bebrebe wo mu ye nyina akora no so wo mu ntime amfa na amafom enti boy no mu ye bibia wo mfi mu ntime nhunu ana Akete nsam baaye me Beyou na menhwe no ni Akete nsam baaye ene ma me kohwe no tie boy nanum asam ene ma me pe na asam preko pe because boy no oye nipa bi obre ne ho ase obuade ompe kasa enam so bobeka won ka bi ntum beka won ka bi nti no obi ama nkwase asem so ana obeka obi ama nkwase asem so ana obeka wate enti no sa wo zaka sa wo die we se pe bo makoku poku so hwanhwan ni so wajibi na so nim nyansa onsua nyansa ontimi fa Beyou nko ba bia na so de Beyou ko ba bia ye nyina ye ta Beyou achi enti e be hentina na ke so wonya sa wo die we ya bo ma mintie mekọ akote so wa mo wo die na wo menu wo bi ka bye bye